Hello students, let us continue our unit Diversity of the Living World. Here in this topic, today we'll learn about conservation of biodiversity. We have studied how importance of biodiversity is. So let us see conservation. What is conservation? It is protection of the biodiversity. So how to conserve biodiversity? There are two types or two methods of conservation of biodiversity. One is in situ conservation or on-site conservation, and another one is ex situ conservation or off-site conservation. In situ conservation, organisms are protected in their natural habitats. In ex situ conservation, organisms are taken out of their natural habitats and protected in special areas, in special protected regions. So, how many types of conservation are there? Two types. One is in situ or on site conservation, and another one is ex situ or off site conservation. In situ conservation is the ideal strategy, and ex situ conservation, it provides backup for in situ conservation. Let us see in situ conservation in detail. So here in situ conservation, animal species are protected in their natural habitats. So for that there are biodiversity hotspots. So these biodiversity hotspots, they have high level of species, and a number of species are there, and there is a high degree of endemism. What is endemism? Organisms which are present particularly in that particular place, specialized to that particular region. So in biodiversity hotspots are the regions which have high level of species, that means number of species are there, and high degree of endemism is there, and these are at threat, or these are the endangered species which are going to become extinct. That is why these areas are identified and protected. Such areas are called as biodiversity hotspots. We can define biodiversity hotspots like this. See here, biodiversity hotspot is a biogeographical region Biodiversity hotspot is a biogeographical region with a significant reservoir of biodiversity that is under threat of extinction from humans. Write down this. Biodiversity hotspot is a biogeographical region with a significant reservoir of biodiversity that is under threat of extinction from humans. This concept was given by scientists called by name Norman Mayers. This is the photograph of Norman Mayers, who has proposed biodiversity hotspots. And there are 34 biodiversity hotspots in the world. How many biodiversity hotspots are there? 34 biodiversity hotspots are there, and out of which Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma, Himalayas, or see here, Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma, Himalayas. All these are the biodiversity hotspots in India. And there are biosphere reserves. There are 17 biosphere reserves. These are the areas which are minimally disturbed and protected for conservation of resources. There are 17 biosphere reserves. How many are there? 17 biosphere reserves. And the latest one is Seshachalam Hills in India. 17th one, or the latest one, is the Seshachalam Hills. Here, this is the Seshachalam Hills in India, which is the 17th biosphere reserve. What are biosphere reserves? These are the areas which are minimally disturbed for conservation of resources. That means resources are conserved without any disturbance.